Hi friends, here's some guided practice that we can do. I'm gonna do like 1 or 2 problems, and then if you want for extra practice with mom, dad, or just by yourself, if you want to try another 2 or 3 problems out, you may. All right, let's look at this. It says in 7 to 10, round to the nearest hundred to estimate. So all right, so I have number 7, 286, subtract 189. So boys and girls, we're working on today estimating differences. Remember what a difference is. Difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Sum is the answer to an addition problem. So we're estimating differences. So we're rounding and then we're subtracting. Okay. All right, so 286 minus 189, it says round to the nearest hundred to estimate. Okay, so 286, if I were to, is my pen on? Oh, it is. Here we go again. The fun writing on the computer. Okay. So 182, number 7, 286, if I were to estimate and round that to the nearest hundred, I think, okay, is 286 closest to 200 or closest to 300? Hopefully you said, dun dun dun, it's closest to 300. Now I have to subtract 189. Okay, so let me think. 189, is that close? If I'm doing the nearest hundred, is that closer to 100 or is that closer to 200? 189. And remember, you can do a number line and to help you solve these if you need to with rounding. 189 is closest to 200. So now 300 subtract 200 is, yep, 100. Whoop. Gotta have fun with it, right? All right, let's do number 8. It's not working. All right, so number 8, let's look at number 8, 461. If I were to round that to the nearest hundred, I would be rounding that to 500. 216. Is 216 closest to 200 or closest to 300? Hopefully you said 200, and now I can subtract. Now I have my zeros. I'd look 5, subtract 2 is 3, and add my 0. 2 zeros, 300. All right, so that is what we're working on today. I did want to go over something from the last lesson that we didn't really talk about. Sorry, it's a little fuzzy, but this vocabulary term, compatible numbers. Okay, what are compatible numbers? Compatible numbers are numbers that are close to the add-ins, but easy to add mentally. Okay, so this person right here, if you look, 255, they just thought of a number that was really close to 255 that would make their addition easier for them. So they did 255 is 250, 329, they did rounded, or their compatible number was 325 because they thought that this would be easy to add, right? Okay, and then their answer is 575. So when we're using compatible numbers, it's not that we're not necessarily rounding to the nearest 10, rounding to the nearest 100. We're just looking at that number and finding a number around the same area of that number that would make our addition or subtraction problem easier to add. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Maybe during Google Hangout we can talk about that a little bit. All right, so today you're working on estimating differences. And that's about it for today. All right, have a great day. Bye.